Hey friends, so you're going to draw Pompompurin.
Yeah, as a Squishmallow, which is my favorite because he's just a big giant shape.
Yes.
The squish shape. We're going to first start with the shape. We're going to use our pencil and draw this big, kind of looks like a gumdrop maybe. What would you call this shape?
A marshmallow.
A marshmallow. That makes more sense. Okay, let's use our pencil. We'll put Pompompurin off to the side, and we're going to use our pencil to draw the main shape. Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing a big upside down letter U, but I'm on the side, so I'm gonna get a little wider. So we'll come up, around, and down. I'm gonna draw that again so it's a little wider. And that's the nice part about using our pencil first. We can go over it a couple times and get it just the way we want it before we move on to the next step. And I have so many extra lines, I'm gonna get confused. So I'll erase the extra lines I don't want to keep. Now you can pause the video and really work on this step and get it just the way you want it. Next we can draw the bottom, and we'll draw it curving down and over to the other side. And we really want both sides to match. Yes, yours looks awesome. And I love that our two shapes don't look exactly the same. And it's okay if our friends' shapes look different because they turned out awesome too.
Yes.
The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to practice. Now let's switch to our marker. We're gonna add the details, but our friends could keep using a pencil if they want. What should we draw next, or first, or after this, the next part? What should we draw? You pick.
The ears.
The ears. Oh, I like that. That was not what I was expecting you to say. Okay, we're gonna start. Let's give ourselves 2 guide points. That's where the hat will start and the ears start. Yes. Okay, and then the ears. Let's come out. We're gonna draw kind of big raindrop shapes and then come back in. And we'll do the same thing. I'm glad you picked the ears.
They're cute.
Yeah, they are cute. Okay, pick the next one too.
His hat.
A hat, okay. Let's draw it curving a little bit down, and I went up high. I'm gonna connect it over here. Yes, and then we're gonna draw, it's a beret, so we're gonna draw it curving around, over, and down. And then at the top, we could draw the big upside down, well, it's a little upside down letter U. There we go. Okay, now you pick the next one.
His eyes.
Eyes. Oh, that's tricky. Okay, we're gonna do it. All right, let's draw a little dot and a little dot for the eyes. They're really small. And what's next?
His nose.
His nose. Okay, just a little below the eyes, but right in the middle, we could draw letter V, and then an upside down letter U, or a rainbow line. And then, now what?
His mouth.
His mouth, okay. And then a straight line down. And then a curve out to the side. And I like how it really curves up on the edge so that he looks like he's smiling. Ah, you're doing a great job. And what's the last step? Well, almost last step.
To draw the body.
Okay, let's trace over the pencil line, but we're not going through the hat. We're gonna start here at the ear and just trace over the pencil line. And I'm gonna stop there and then pick my marker up and start over here to finish, and even turn my paper. Sometimes that makes it a little easier. Almost, keep going. We did it. We finished drawing Pompompurin as a marshmallow, a Squishmallow. Except we still need to
color him.
Yes, but except before we color, let's switch one more time to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. What color is Pompompurin?
He's yellow.
Yeah, a lot of yellow. This is gonna take us a minute. We'll fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Pompompurin. That was a lot of yellow and we need new markers now.
Yeah.
Maybe next time we could draw him on yellow paper and then cut him out. And then even brown paper and cut out his hat.
Oh yeah, that would be easier.
Yeah, save our markers.
I think it would be really cute if you turned him into a king too.
Yeah, you could draw extra accessories like a crown and maybe even his robe, his royal robe.
Yeah, because he's the cutest.
I think so.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Pompompurin.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.